Thank you, Ms. MC. Good morning, everyone. Good morning to the dignitaries and special people on the stage, the inner wheel of the West, the very active inner wheel, and fellow Rotarians, barangay officials, parents, pupils, teachers. Yes. I'm Utto. I am here representing Rotary International, and this kind of project of clubs as strong as the Rotary Club of West Cagayan de Oro is really a contribution, something that makes Rotary International known in the world and in the local communities. I am especially grateful for this project because you see, as President Al has said, we develop human resource, but more so because we give a chance to our children and our children's children to equip themselves, to make them read, to have a place where they could learn about the world, they could learn about life. And this is a very magnanimous project indeed. Other projects of Rotary clubs are really also meritorious, but literacy is special because it prepares our children, our citizens for the future. It equips them to live a productive and meaningful life. And I would like to thank, on behalf of Rotary, our leader, our congressman who, walay pabor-pabor, walay politiko, he has always been very receptive to the needs of his district. And yes, walang naikon ha, because really our congressman, we give him credit for putting resources of the government where it should be placed. So thank you very much, Mr. Congressman. Thank you also to our PDGs who equally have inspired this club to achieve more. And thank you, President Al, and to the barangay officials. And to the head teacher who is very proactive, thank you and more power to you. Magandang good noon, everyone.